yeah. When the road gets long and the night's too deep, when the worries of tomorrow steal my sleep, I hear a whisper calling through the noise and fear, reminding me you're always near. You lead me where the waters gently flow. You restore the places nobody knows, even when my strength is running low. You carry me farther than I could go. I don't have to fight for every answer. I don't have to hold the world alone. 'Cause you're my shepherd, you know my name. You light the path when I can't see the way. Through every valley, through every flame, I know your goodness is chasing me. I will not fear, I will not run. Your eyes remind me I'm your own. All of my days, what my heart will say, the shepherd knows my name. You prepare a table in the presence of doubt, while the voices of the enemy are shouting loud. You fill my cup till it overflows, with the mercy that never lets me go. And when the shadows stretch across the land, I feel the comfort of your steady hand. The valley isn't where my story ends, you're walking with me through it. I don't have to fear the darkest moment. You're the reason I can keep moving on. 'Cause you're my shepherd, you know my name. You light the path when I can't see the way. Through every valley, through every flame, every pain, I know your goodness is chasing me. I will not fear, I will not run. Your heart in the staff remind me on your own. All of my days, my heart will sing. The shepherd knows my name. Yeah, yeah. Green pastures after every desert,